Today, I wanted to give you a sneak peek into the Cultivate What Matters 2022 Power Sheets. Now, these launch October 8th, so about 2 weeks from today, and they're going to be $62, and they include 6 brand new, very beautiful, very gorgeous covers. So let's take a look inside and see what you get. It arrived in a beautifully, I guess, like taped package, because it's just really a plain brown box, which again, I always say is totally fine, because when you have this beautiful tape, it makes it all look pretty. And I'm sure it just saves money, because mostly the box just gets ruined anyway when it gets sent through the mail. So this arrived USPS. And keep in mind, these don't come out officially until October 8th. So here we go. Cute little postcard. Hello, fresh start. It looks like I did get my snap-in bookmark. Wow, wowzers. This is amazingly huge. I don't know if you can see this. Hold on, let me get a ruler. Maybe it's just the box that's big and the inside will be smaller, but let's look at this. Okay, I ordered the sticker book. Super cute. Now she does an excellent job with gold foiled stickers. So this sticker book is much thinner than years past. I can feel that already. And here we go. So we start out with flowers, which is different. Usually it starts out with these stickers. See, I told you, lovely, lovely gold foiling. It's almost like, I don't know if anyone else feels like this, but whenever I see the gold foiling stickers, I'm like afraid to use them, because I'm like, they're just too pretty to like use. I want to just keep them, I guess, forever just to look at. And so here we go, color coding. So all of their really great, happy, colorful brand photos are brand colors. And then we have some more gold foiling and more gold foiling. Categorize your goals, categorize your progress. So these are new types of stickers. Some of the old ones are still here. And we have all these same ones with gold foiling and some more color ones. And highlight the good. So this is new. And these, I think they've done these before, cute little quotes, and that's pretty much it. Over here we have the snap-in card holder. I'm gonna guess that this planner is big though, because these snap-in things are pretty large. So if this is a snap-in, this is already 10 inches tall by 6.5 wide, but let's go ahead. I know you're here for the main thing. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I purchased the green one, and I know a lot of people really like the linen one, but the whole reason I like Powersheets is because they're bright and happy, and I wanted a bright and happy color, and green seemed to be the brightest, because some of the other colors, they're switching to their pastel colors, which there's nothing wrong with, but I like the happy brightness. So here we go, gold foiling over here. And if you want to see, the back of the box is all green. And we have, yeah, I was right, it took up the whole box. So these are way, way bigger than last year, which is great. I am a big writer, so I need tons and tons of writing space. And let's open this up so it arrives in bubble wrap. And same as last year, it has a hard chipboard cover, and it has the O coils. Before, they used to have plastic coils, which was a little bit more durable, but didn't look as high-end or polished. I was fine with them, but I think a lot of people preferred this style. We have a nice little flower pocket folder here in the front, a card for your word of the year, which they've always had. My best year starts here. So all of these cool things to do, and obviously to sign into their goal school and do your prep work. And they did have a deal too where you could sign up for that 1-day Powersheets prep work. But even if you didn't, I believe she does a ton of free stuff to help you use your Powersheets. Stickers, just 1 page, Cultivate What Matters, 2022 goal ideas, comparison. So we had this last year, the About Me, what fires me up. Oh, these are cute. These are the same. I think there are less. So last year, I feel like there were 3 across, so there were like a ton more. So I do like that it's simplified. And we had all this before, good things, people I'm grateful for, challenges, what I learned, and get ready to break free. These days are your legacy. big picture vision. Oh, nice. There's a lot more color in this year's planner, Powersheets planner, than there were in years past. Usually it's just a plain sort of black and white sheet like this, which it looks like they have gone back to for the most part, but I do like the little splashes of color inside of here. So types of goals, get ready to goal, rough draft of your yearly goals, place to list them all. It's easy to remember where to focus. Vision board, so you can tape stuff on there. And then let's take the pressure off, turning challenges into opportunities. We have goal, action plan, why. So you can break down each of your goals. It looks like a rinse and repeat over here. Yep. And then finally we get over to the yearly overview. So obviously there are 3 months in a quarter. So it looks like seasons are actually quarters. So 1Q, 2, 3, and 4th quarter. And then customize these pages. So wildcard library, and I did order wildcard pages. That's what this is. So this snap-in, I don't know if you can see, it says wildcard right there. And then what you're supposed to do is snap these in and then just tape your wildcard page onto there. So then you can just pop it into your Powersheets wherever you want it to go. And then it looks like January, all good things start with one step. So let's see, this is the same as last year, and it looks like they gave you a 2-page monthly spread, something that was new that they just added last year. They never used to do this. And honestly, I never use this. I always use my monthly, another planner for that, but it's nice to be able to write things down. So this is just directions on how to do the next steps. So this is your monthly ideas, weekly, daily, attending list, monthly action items, weekly and daily action items. And it looks like the boxes for the habit tracker, the first box is pretty big, and then it looks like it divides it into weeks. Now, if we look over for the month of January, it starts on Saturday and then the week starts on Sunday. So they've done a good job of just kind of splitting or making sure each of these habits follow the actual natural progression of a Sunday through Saturday type of format. And then month in review. So they have a quote on each page, and then it looks like this is a rinse and repeat for February, for March, and then for April. And then you have a month in review at the end. You have May, you have June, July, August, September. So the only thing missing is seasonal. They used to do a seasonal or like a quarterly check-in or refresh. So I don't see that inside of here. So we have October. Oh no, I lied. The refresh is there. It just isn't marked as a separate area. So your refresh is here. Cultivate a life evaluation check-in. Try this at home. So your refresh goals, break your goals down, plan for the season ahead. Okay, so it looks like they just do this. Let's look at April. Yep, here's your refresh. So it's the same. Each area for refresh is exactly the same. And it looks like they do that at the beginning of each quarter. So where were we? We were at, I believe, October. And yes, October. Yep, there's our refresh. And then we have November. And last, we have December. And so sometimes with these oak coils, they're just a little hard to close. And then here's your 22, yeah, so month in review, you're done. Your year in review, and then you're all done, and you should be on to ordering, or hopefully you have your 2023 planners all ready to go. So that is the 2022 Powersheets.